Book of Heaven, Volume 2, 1899. Humility without confidence is false virtue. After having gone through several days of privation and of tears, I found myself all confused and annihilated within myself. In my interior, I kept saying continuously, "Tell me, O my good, why have you moved away from me? Where have I offended you, that you no longer make yourself seen? And if you show yourself, it is almost concealed and in silence. Oh, please, do not make me wait and wait any longer, for my heart cannot take any more." Finally, Jesus showed himself a little more clearly, and in seeing me so annihilated, he told me,
"If you knew how much I like humility, humility is the littlest plant that can be found, but its branches are so high as to reach heaven, win their way around my throne, and penetrate even into my heart. This little plant is humility, and the branches that this plant produces are confidence. So there cannot be true humility without confidence. Humility without confidence is false virtue."
From the words of my Jesus, it shows that my heart was not only annihilated, but also a little discouraged. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.